Alright, crypto crew, let's raise a virtual slice of pie to Pi Network. Launched way back on March 14th, 2019, by a bunch of brainy folks from Stanford, this project has definitely made some waves in the crypto ocean. For the first few years, it was all about growing that massive community, getting everyone mining on their phones and building out the ecosystem. It was kind of like planting a digital seed and watching it sprout. Then came 2020, and Pi Network entered its testnet phase. This was a big step, allowing developers to finally start tinkering with Pi transactions and see how things worked under the hood. It was like giving the engineers the keys to the workshop. The following years saw the implementation of the KYC verification process. Now, I know KYC can be a bit of a pain, but it's a crucial step for any crypto project looking to go legit and launch a fully operational mainnet. It's like getting your ID checked before you can enter the big kids' playground. And then, earlier this year, we finally saw a major milestone, the long-awaited open network launch. This was the moment so many pioneers had been waiting for. It meant that crypto exchanges could finally list the PI token, making it publicly accessible for trading. This was like the graduation day for Pi Network. And guess which exchanges were the first to jump on board? We saw BitGet, OKX, MEX, and Gate.io all embrace Pi Coin. Not bad company to keep, right? But the real buzz has been around one exchange in particular, the king of the crypto hill, Binance. The rumors have been swirling for ages about a potential Binance listing. They even held a community vote to see if their users wanted to trade PI, and a whopping 86% of voters clicked that big juicy yes button. That's a pretty resounding endorsement if you ask me. Some folks were even speculating that Binance might just drop the listing bomb today, on Pi Network's 6th birthday. But as of right now, March 14th, 2025, it looks like we're still waiting for that green light. Fingers crossed, though. Now let's be real, Pi Network hasn't been without its fair share of drama. It's definitely one of the most controversial crypto projects out there. It's kind of notorious for those constant delays and deadline extensions, which have definitely ruffled some feathers in the community. I mean, remember the grace period for KYC and Mainnet migration? It was supposed to end on February 28th, but then they pushed it to today, March 14th, with a warning about potentially forfeiting your Pi if you didn't make the cut. It's like they're saying happy birthday, now hurry up and get your paperwork in. But despite these hiccups, the Pi Network community remains incredibly dedicated and optimistic. They've stuck with the project through thick and thin, and that kind of loyalty is something you don't see every day in the crypto space. Alright crypto fam, before we dive into the price action, if you're enjoying this trip down memory lane and getting the latest Pi scoop, now's the perfect time to smash that like button. It helps us reach more people who are curious about Pi Network, and it keeps the Gold Rush Crypto Daily train chugging along. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future crypto deep dives and market updates. Now let's talk about the moolah, the cheddar, the greenbacks, the price of Pi coin. Earlier this week, Pi was actually on a bit of a tear, briefly surging past $1.80. That got a lot of people excited, thinking that maybe, just maybe, the birthday pump was on. But in the past 24 hours, it looks like Pi has taken a bit of a breather, heading south. Currently, it's trading at around $1.57, representing about a 9% decline. It's like the market gave it a little birthday bump and then said, "Alright, settle down now." Looking ahead, we could definitely see some additional volatility in the short term. The potential for that Binance listing is still hanging in the air like a delicious piñata, and any news on that front could send the price soaring or dipping depending on the sentiment. Plus, the overall market conditions always play a role, so it's important to keep an eye on the bigger picture. Personally, I think Pi Network has come a long way in the past 6 years. They've built a massive community, they've launched their open network, and they're getting listed on some reputable exchanges. The Binance question mark is still a big one, but the fact that they even held a community vote shows there's definitely interest there. The delays in communication could definitely be better, and I understand the frustration from the pioneers. But you can't deny the sheer scale of this project and the dedication of its users. Whether Picoin will ultimately reach those lofty price targets that some are hoping for remains to be seen, but it's definitely been an interesting journey so far. So, there you have it, Crypto Fam. A look back at 6 years of Pi Network, the latest on the Binance saga, and a peek at the recent price action. What are your thoughts on Pi Network? Are you still holding on to your mined coins? Do you think Binance will finally list it? Let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing your opinions. Thanks for celebrating Pi Network's birthday with me today on the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this update, share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts, and subscribe for more of the latest crypto news and analysis. We got plenty more coming your way, so stay tuned. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep mining those digital dreams. I'll catch you in the next video. Disclaimer. Please remember that this is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile, and you could lose money. Always do your own research before making any investment decision.